Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to set up free shipping on Bigcommerce. Once in your Bigcommerce dashboard, you are going to go over to the left hand corner, and from here you are going to tap on products. After you have selected products, from here you will be redirected to this page, and if you want to offer free shipping for one particular product, you can do that. All you'll have to do is select the product, for example this one right here. Then you'll simply tap on the three dots right below action, and you are going to tap on edit. After selecting edit, you are going to scroll down, just give it a few seconds to load up. You are going to scroll down, and you can see right here shipping details, and you'll simply tap on free shipping. Then you'll tap on save in the bottom right hand corner, and that's it. That's how to offer free shipping on Bigcommerce. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.